Hey, what's up guys? This is Theodore, Potion Brain Productions! 2022, have a happy, amazing new year. Potion Productions is back, reborn, and redirected to producers that really want to thrive in the music industry. So, stay with me really close from now on because I'm going to present you quality content on YouTube from now on more consistently. So, first of all, today we're going to discuss how you can have your own drum pattern in under 16 seconds. Let's do this right after the intro. Let's go! It is extremely simple to write a drum pattern in Ableton. First of all, we'll have to do this. Now I'll have to start the countdown as soon as we are good with the sounds. So in that way, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you're going to find your drum sounds in Ableton. So under drums, I'm choosing this kit. It has some 808. It has also some clap or snare. Okay, so I'm going to be arming this, which is a MIDI channel. Let's say we drew this from scratch. I would have to insert a MIDI track and then go over to the MIDI track, hit arm, and then double click this. Now let's demonstrate our sounds. Okay, our 808 and our snare will be this, and also we'll have the hi-hats. So we're good with the sounds, we're ready to start our countdown. As you see, I have created a loop here, and I'm not going to make this a loop only for 4 bars. I'm going to do this for 12 at least, in order to not to create a drum pattern and not then turn from the start, because this plays in a loop. So you can also leave the loop aside in order to avoid this. So what I mean here is actually head over to the stop button in order to go over to the first bar, and now we're ready to record to this track. So now metronome on, it is on, stop button to the first bar, and now we're ready to hit record. Let's say this is our pattern here. Okay, it is not the greatest pattern in the world, but I'm going to fine tune this right now. So Control A and then hit quantize settings 1/8. So this is going to actually synchronize the beat on tempo using the 8th notes. If you don't know so much stuff about music theory, don't mind if I'm using 8th or 16th notes. It's really simple. Okay, you just have to count down how this is a first 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then all over again. So this is basically how you're counting. Let's say this is our pattern here, and what I have to do now is actually just minimize this, hit crop clip, and now we're going to the hi-hats. The most classic one for trap is to have this on 16th and also there. So duplicate, Control D, duplicate all over the project, and then delete only the ones with the snare. Where the snare hits, I'm going to delete them. Okay, maybe this is too fast. I'm going to do a variation there. And also copy this again. And then copy this again. And then delete this, and boom. This is how you can make a crazy drum trap pattern in Ableton Live so fast. If you actually see that you are helped by this video and you want to be helped out even more, I have something amazing for you right now. You can go under the description. You will find a link where it will lead you to a page where you can get access to my free training on how you can make more money as a producer. This is amazing. I discovered this system, so I'm able to give it to you right now through a 20-minute video. So go right now into the link, give a big smile to yourself, and I'll see you again in the next video. GG, bye.